What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic roller coaster construction update. I know, we have been here almost every single day this week. We're back again. Let's do this. And hello again, Islands. We're here. Does not look busy at all. It's just before 2 p.m. Extremely hot out. But the waits should be very minimalistic. Well, this is good to see. The ticket booths have people over here. And the turnstiles look empty, so we should be right in. Yep, no wait to get through, and we are on our way, like usual. Alright, so let's check out the wait times. Park is open till 6 p.m. We can see Jurassic Park River Adventure 10 minutes, Dudley Do Ride's 5 minutes, Hulk is at 5 minutes, along with a lot of the other rides. Spider-Man at 10, Kong at 25, P-Flyers at 10, Forbidden Journey 10 minutes, Fly the Hippogriff 5 minutes also, so yeah, not a bad day at the park. Yet again, hello Jurassic Roller Coaster Project, and we can see more new track installed even since yesterday. So crews have placed pieces leading into the stall and also in the trench leading out of the top hat.
A triple for you, and he just might throw in his underwear too. V is for where the rhyming gets tough. Z is for zero, for the chance we won't say.
So check this out, guys. We have some track that's being installed in the station area right now. Good news, guys, as we can see some very large supports right there on the ground, and we believe that's going to be for the other side of the Top Hat Tower. Well, it looks like a lot more of those piles are being removed right now. More paneling for the maintenance barn is going in since yesterday. Looks nice. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic roller coaster project. As we saw, a bunch of new track was added, probably 4 or 5 pieces, and tons of supports are all over the site for that second Top Hat Tower. We expect that's going to be going up very soon, and of course, we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.